all over the world. Hi my Chat Jamaican family, I want to wish you a happy new year. Welcome 2023. I wish you a wonderful new year and hope it brings you many blessings. Get rid of the old to make place for the new, and I wish you happiness throughout the year. Best wishes for the new year. I love you my Chat Jamaican family with all my heart. Peace and love be with you this entire year. So how you know which one to take?
Just take it first one.
Oh, so they load like a regular taxi. So guys, currently we are here, and the first boat I am observing, I've seen that it is now in, one is also leaving, so I am late for that one, and you can see where people are coming off the boat. So I am going to do something similar right now. I am going to go into one of these boats. Look at the area, look how beautiful it is, look at how wonderful this place is, guys. But this is the time for me to enjoy this experience as I take this boat across the Demerara River.
But it looks like one of the containers.
Yeah, there's a Guyana flag on it. Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania, and today guys I am going to take the boat to go over to region 3. You have seen me cross the Demerara River using the bridge. Today I am going to cross the river using the boat. So guys, you're going to come on the Demerara River with me. So guys, you remember Philip from Philip Vlogs? Yes, Philip is going to be a part of this journey.
Yes, man. So we're getting ready now to cross the boat. I hope the water is calm and not rocky like that.
Okay, guys.
So that you'll have a good experience.
Yes, so this will be a great trip.
Alright.
Okay guys, it is time to go on to the boat. Am I scared? No, I am not really scared, but it is also my first time taking a boat as a taxi. So I am well prepared and hoping for the best on this trip as I go inside. I'm making the preparation and trying to decide which seat, and I eventually sit down. Now guys, it is time for us to put on our life jacket. So guys, we are ready, have on our life jacket, and we are ready to go. Now that Philip and I are ready, we are indeed ready for takeoff. So as the captain made the preparation and start up the engine, I know that he is going to take us safely. So guys, this is the captain doing his thing and starting up the boat to ensure that we get a good ride across the Demerara River. Isn't the captain handsome, guys? So the river is not rocky, it is just smooth. So I had a smooth sailing so far. No challenge, no roughness, nothing. And I was just enjoying the fresh air, the breeze, everything that comes with this journey. The sun was just right, beautiful skies, beautiful river as we go across. Remember guys, this is a wide river and it is one of the widest rivers I have ever been on. And so far I am loving the journey, enjoying the journey, and it is definitely going well. If you are coming to Guyana, guys, this is a trip that you should take. The captain's still doing his thing, and I am there observing and looking at the entire process and journey as I travel over the Demerara River. Look at that ship passing in the background. It was not a ship, it was a boat, a small boat. My apologies. But guys, isn't it still interesting? There could possibly be ships in the water too. You might never know when one will pass, alright? So guys, our captain is doing his job and he's revving up the boat. And there we have a competitor to the left of us. The thing about it is that that boat has no passengers on the inside. They have no passengers. So it is just driving really fast and going fast on the water, on the Demerara water. And we are just sitting down observing and looking at that boat. But look at the sky. Look at the mangroves. Look at the water. Guys, this is a trip to remember here in Guyana. Remember, we are coming from Region 4 Georgetown and we are going to Region 3. So we are moving from one region to the next. And this is a mode of transportation here in Guyana. We are on the Demerara River, one of the widest river I have ever been on, traveling across to get to the destination where it is that I am going. Captain still doing his thing. Woo! Look at these buildings. Look at what was being created or had been created. The history is still standing here. We're about to complete the journey. Everybody is taking off their life jacket. So guys, we're just going to make our preparation now to get off the boat because we have made it across. Now everyone is getting up and waiting. We will definitely leave soon. However, leave in the comment section, guys, you were a part of this journey. You were a part of this journey. Right in the comment section, would you have traveled on the boat across the Demerara River? Remember to subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and always thank you for watching my videos. I just paid $1,000 and he is to give me back some change. Boy.
One.
So the fare was $100 and he gave me back $900. When they give you the Guyanese money here, it feels like you're a rich person to hold the paper money now.
It's like they're building up this stelling, because this is the right here. It seems like they're building like a shed for this stelling. I think that's good, especially when rain is falling. don't have to worry about getting wet. Yeah, it's a good look.
There's somebody who understands
So guys, I did it. I took the boat and I traveled over the Demerara River. That was very quick and easy. It took less than 5 minutes to get to where I am right now. So next time, if you're here in Guyana and you want to get over to Region 3 quickly, take the boat, only $100.
How did you feel in the boat? Like, was it scary?
It was normal. The road was not road. The river was not rocky or anything like that. It was just smooth sailing. I figured that, you know, we don't have much rain or anything to intimidate the river.
Yeah.
So we got a smooth sailing over. And the captain did a good job with his driving and all of that. So guys, I really enjoyed this trip. All right?
Nice.
Man say my video and I do not work. As I say?
No, Sam, I got video. I got video. You are going to video him doing his work.
Oh, okay. I wonder if they get sale, a lot of sale here though.
I'm not really selling and sales is good for me, as I could say.
Yes.
In Guyana,
Yes.
it's a beautiful place to come.
So what are the type of clothes you normally sell here?
Okay. For most of the clothes that we get is like Chinese that they import to Guyana.
Oh, okay. So you want to invite anybody to come down and shop with you?
Yes. Welcome all Jamaica, all over the world to come.
Right.
Enjoy your new year.
All right, and Happy New Year to you too. Thank you.
Yeah, so this bus right here. Right here.
So how are we going to reach our destination
Right
now?
here.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When we walk through the valley of